Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 25 power x plus 5 power x is equals to 20 and we have to find x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So 25 I can write it as 5 square whole power x plus 5 power x is equals to 20. Now, according to exponent rule, a power m power n, we can write it as a power mn or a power n power m. So we can write this as 5 power x power 2 plus 5 power x is equals to 20. Now I'm going to take a substitution and 5 power x is equals to a. So it becomes a square plus a is equals to 20. Or a square plus a minus 20 is equals to 0. Now it's look like in quadratic equation, so I can use the middle term split method and write the middle a as plus 5a minus 4a minus 20 is equals to 0. Now I can take a as common from first two terms, so a plus 5, and if I'll take negative 4 as common, so a plus 5 is equals to 0. Now a plus 5 is common, so a minus 4 is equals to 0. From here, a is equals to negative 5 or a is equals to 4. So as we know that we take in substitution, so let's put a is equals to 5x in place of a, negative 5 is equals to 5x. If 5 has power x which is positive, so it can't be equal to a negative number, so this case can't be possible. Now comes to a is equals to 4, that is 5 power x is equals to 4. Now I am going to take log on both sides. So log 5 power x is equals to log 4. According to log rule, log b power a, we can write it as a log b. So it becomes x log 5 is equals to log 4. Now I'm going to divide with log 5 both sides. So x is equals to log 4. We can write it as 2 square by log 5. Similarly, I'm going to again use this rule. So 2 log 2 by log 5. Now the value of log 2 is 0.3010 and the value of log 5 is 0.699. So x is equals to 2 times 0.3010 by 0.699. So after simplify this, we get 0.861. This is the final value of x. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.